Just ask Alexa. Use your voice to easily start or stop the slow cooker, program cook times, heat settings, and check the status of your meal from anywhere. This programmable slow cooker works with any Alexa-enabled device or through the free Alexa app on your phone or tablet. Program monitor remotely. With voice-controlled cooking, spend less time in front of your slow cooker, and less time worrying about your meal. Program and adjust cook times from 30 minutes to 20 hours using your Alexa-enabled device or app. Running late. Adjust cook settings on the go. Wondering what the status of your meal is? Simply ask, Alexa, when will my Crock-Pot be done? Temperature control. Use your Alexa-enabled device or app to easily control the heat setting from anywhere, whether you're in the next room, or stuck at work. Select high, low, or warm temperature settings using just your voice, for hands-free cooking convenience. Need to make sure you set your slow cooker to the right temperature. Check on it using the Alexa app, for peace of mind, no matter where you are. 6-quart capacity, serves 7+ people and fits a 6-pound roast. Other features: dishwasher-safe oval stoneware and glass lid, integrated cord storage, polished stainless steel exterior with cool touch handles. Top reviews from the United States. I have this Crock-Pot connected to my Alexa and it automatically starts cooking for me when I give the command. It was easy to set up on the Alexa app. Alexa automatically found the device and I just had to add it. You can ask Alexa on your device how much longer or to change the heating level or change it from the app. Love how simple this is.